channel. So I'm going to show you guys how to do some turban styles here. So the first one, I'm basically just leaving my hair out. Guys, don't mind my hair, but yeah, I'm leaving my hair out in this one, and then I'm just going to be tying it, from the front, taking it to the back, and tying it, and then bringing it back to the front again, taking it back to the back again. Basically what you want to just do on this style is just to wrap everything round, so you have just little space remaining. So I'm just fixing everything behind. Make sure you tuck it in so it looks neat. Yes girl, yes girl. I love this one so much, so easy. So the second one, we're going to be doing something I see most of the Muslim girls here in Kaduna do. And guys, I know it looks like I'm tying my neck too much, but trust me, I did not even tie this thing like at all, actually, if I'm to say. So yes, I like this one so much. Super easy, super cool when you're not wearing weave. Third one, guys. So this third one is something I've been seeing my mom do when I was growing up, and yes, it's just basically tie it behind, then bring it to the front, and then like twist the handle, and take it to the front, and keep twisting it. Like, you just need to make it look neat and very nice, basically. So I actually had a part falling off here, so I had to tuck it in more. So you have to actually take your time with this one, make it very, very neat, so you'll be able to get the desired results that you want. Yeah, and then just bring it to, because the idea of this one is for it to be on your forehead directly. So yes, that was what I did here, and I loved it. So I've shown you guys what my mom used to, the kind of scarf my mom loved to tie, and yeah, you can see the way I'm smiling. I just love this one. I was glad that I was able to recreate it, and yes, kisses. Yeah. So guys, let's move on. This is the last one. It's somewhat like the first one, but in this one I'm putting something else to my head, and just to make it look full. Guys, you have to be careful with this one, because don't shake your head so it doesn't fall off. I was trying to keep my hair steady. So yeah, basically just tie everything. It's like doing what you did on the first one, but this one you're covering everything, you're not leaving anything out. So yeah, tie behind, bring it to the front, then take it back again to the back, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's what I basically did. And yeah, you just tie it and tuck it in, make it look good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like and comment.